Welcome back to Star Biker, your trusted channel for the latest bike and car reviews. Today, we're shifting gears to explore a popular budget-friendly car that's making a comeback with a fresh twist, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. If you're looking for a compact, fuel-efficient, and reliable car under a tight budget, stay tuned. Design and exterior. The 2025 Alto 800 brings a subtle yet modern update to its iconic look. It retains its compact silhouette, perfect for city driving and tight parking spaces. The redesigned front grille, sharper headlamps, and slightly flared wheel arches give it a refreshed identity while staying true to its practical roots. Interior and features. Step inside and you'll find a surprisingly spacious cabin for a car in this segment. Maruti has upgraded the dashboard design with a cleaner layout and added a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system on higher variants. Basic connectivity features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are also now available, catering to the needs of today's tech-savvy drivers. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the 2025 Alto 800 continues with the tried-and-tested 796 cubic centimeters petrol engine, now tuned for better fuel efficiency and lower emissions, in line with BS6 Phase 2 norms. It produces around 48 PS of power and 69 Nm of torque, modest but adequate for daily city commuting. The 5-speed manual transmission remains smooth and easy to handle. Mileage and safety. Fuel economy has always been a strong suit of the Alto 800. The 2025 model claims an impressive mileage of around 24 km per liter, making it one of the most efficient cars in its class. In terms of safety, dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-speed alert system come as standard, even in the base variant. Verdict: should you buy it? The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 continues to be a value-for-money option for first-time car buyers or anyone looking for a reliable city car. With subtle design upgrades, improved features, and excellent mileage, it remains a top contender in the entry-level hatchback segment. Outro: thanks for watching. That wraps up today's review of the 2025 Alto 800. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Star Biker for more honest reviews and automotive insights. See you in the next one.